Under Kotlin data type, we are going to discuss short number type in this session. The short data type can have values ranging from -327,682 plus 32767 and which is 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. That means for the short integer, we are going to store 2 bytes of memory space and it will be expressing signed representation of 2's complement integer. It is used instead of other integer data types to save memory if it is certain that the value of the variable will be within these limits, then you can go for short int. We know that integer data occupies 4 bytes in the computer's memory in Kotlin. So that's why if we find that we are storing one variable's value and the value will be ranging within these limits, that is -327,682 plus 32767, then there is no need to define integer variables. We can also go for this short int. So let us go for one demonstration where we will be showing you that how this short int can be used in our Kotlin code. So here is the demonstration for you. Now in this program we shall demonstrate the use of short data type. So I am going to write my own code. So here is the code for us, and here we have defined one variable, that is my temperature, of the type short, and it has got initialized with the value -1234, and this value is quite within the limits of short data type. So we are going to print the value of my temperature at the end using the function println. So we are going to compile our program. So here is the output of our program, and we are going to get this -1234. In this way we can define variables of the type short, and how to initialize it, how to print the corresponding variables content we have shown in this demonstration. Thanks for watching.